How easy is it to clean your Weber Searwood pellet grill? This is the tool Weber gave us, and let me show you guys how I clean it up. So we have the Weber Searwood XL. We're gonna clean it up. I like to clean this up after every 40 pounds of pellets. So 2 full hoppers. When I empty 2 hoppers, I am going to clean this out. And I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. Now, of course, Weber sends you this tool with the smoker. I have some gloves on. And let me show you what I do. So the very first thing I want to do is clean off this deflector or this heat shield right here. Now obviously it would be easier to clean it off when it's hot, but this scraper still does a pretty good job. You don't need to get it squeaky clean. But if you wanted it squeaky clean, for example, if you're trying to resell it or something like that, you just need this to be hot. All right, after I get this cleaned off, I'm going to take it out. And then now I'm going to go in, I'm going to scrape everything down. Now this piece comes right up, and you can see it is filled with ash. So we're gonna dump that out. You can dump that out on the bottom, or you can go out somewhere and throw it out in your yard or something, wherever you want to put the ash. Recycle it, compost, whatever you do with your ash. So now that part's clean. Now there's a couple ways you can clean the fire pot. One way is vacuum it out. Just get your shop vac, suck that out there. But it's pretty easy to remove this, so just undo these 2 bolts right here, or wing nuts, wing bolts. Get this out of here. So you have your unused pellets and so on. Just dump that out. Again, I'm just dumping everything down into the bottom, and you'll see how easy it is to just take care of that in a little bit. Get this back on. And guys, this is not a deep clean. This is just a routine. Every 2 bags of pellets, this is what I do. Our next thing I like to do is get this thing out of there. And you just use the scraper. This is just grease and the dust. So this is fairly clean. And again, guys, if you want it squeaky clean, you can see how that's pretty easy to do. Again, like I said, I don't need my smokers squeaky clean. I just want them to be operating efficiently. I do give my grills a deep clean once a year. But with pellet grills, they do take a little bit more maintenance. So this is your grease trap here. I just scooped some ash down in there so that you guys can see that. And then here is your drippings and ash catcher. So we're gonna just scoop this out. So this is cleaned out. Put it back in. And then we'll put the grease trap back in. And that's pretty much it. Now we just start putting everything back together. My Weber Searwood is ready for the next cook. This took me just about 15 minutes. Nothing much to it, as you guys can see. So if you have one of these, this is how easy it is to clean it up and how often I clean it. Every 2 bags of pellets, that's 40 pounds. I make sure I get it cleaned out, get out all of that ash, get out all of that dust, and keep your pellet smoker clean, because that's the #1 cause of pellet grill fires. Hope y'all enjoy this video. Thank y'all for hanging out. Have a good one.